What's up guys, my name is Gerardo with Shoe MGK, and today we're going to show you guys how to clean a pair of Gucci slides or any designer slides. All you guys want to do when preparing this cleaning process is grab your brush, dip it in warm water, and add a couple drops or one line of our cleaner and conditioner. Once you got that going, scrub anywhere you want on any part of the sandal and make sure it gets really foamy and ready to absorb all the stains that you have on your stuff. Remember guys that it's all organic, no chemicals, no bleach, so that way it won't stain, ruin your colors, and it won't fade away any of your colors. So you're safe and protected, 100% trusted, and ready to go. Really quick, really easy. So once you're done scrubbing around, just wipe it down, just like this. And just like that, wherever you gotta go and be ready, just know you can trust Shoe MGK. Just like that. And there you have it guys. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Gerardo with Shoe MGK. Thank you very much. Peace.